Hi, I'm Abrea L. Today I'm going to teach you how to make an origami dog. Take a blank piece of paper, fold it across to the opposite side. Then fold this rectangle over like this. Flip the paper over and fold the rectangle the opposite way. Repeat this however many times is necessary. When you think the crease is weak enough, hold the paper on both sides and pull apart. Why do you think the crease tears like this? Next, fold the paper over like this. This triangle will become the face of our dog. Take the corners and fold them both like this. Now it has ears. Fold this bottom corner up once, just a little bit, and then fold it again a larger amount. Now it has a mouth. Finally, decorate how you want. Now you have an origami dog. Why do you think creases are important when folding paper? Can you think of another way to make an origami dog? Thank you for watching.